Hello, people. I don't know. It's very rare that on a Monday morning I'm so happy and so excited because I don't know. The whole thing is, it's like finally I've decided, like I said, right, to follow my heart and to conduct these angel healing classes. Now, exactly what will be taught in the angel healing classes is something that you can discover on joining the class because it's like I've done 4 levels of Reiki and I've been a Hatha Yoga teacher. I have the certificate, the yoga teacher, and I did this very expensive Sujok therapy course, which is the Korean art of acupressure, Sujok therapy, and all of this. But this helps with my eye healing class. But with regard to angel healing, it is something far more deeper, you know. So people, it's I just charge 200 rupees for that 1 hour class. I mean, if it's a group class, at least they have to be two other students or something. But otherwise, it's 500 per head. But 200 is also good if you can get your friend also to join. So, because I feel this time with all this lockdown and all, everyone we are in need of this angel healing. So, how does one get in touch with that higher realm? So, I think that's very important to know. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.